Yo, what's going on YouTube? This Lyndon RC215 back with another video. And today I'm talking about some RC goodies that I picked up for Black Friday sales and over the weekend. I'm gonna start out with these tires that I bought. These foam, matter of fact, they foam tires. These are some all black ones that I bought. And these are foam tires with the red rim color, but I ordered orange so it could match my the Relarlo AM X12, but they sent me the wrong color, so I mean I might keep them, might not. But yeah, these are a few foam tires I picked up. It's from AliExpress. So I'll put these. This is what I picked up. These right here are some other tires I picked up from AliExpress. They call Oz Racing, from Oz Racing Tires. Yeah, these I'll be probably putting on my Relarlo 917. Yeah, some look good quality tires. Foam. Only thing I say that you probably got to glue them. But yeah, that's about it. All right, so that's for the tires. What else? All right, so I picked up a Hobbywing quick run 30 amp ESC and the Hobbywing brushless motor quick run 4500 kV, suitable for a 116 118 scale. I might be putting this in a future card that I'm getting. Stay tuned for that one. I might be putting this system in there. So this is one of the systems I got. And this is another brushless system I bought, King Val. Shout out to Gap A to Z Reviews. He recommended I get this one for one of my Relarlo cars that I'm trying to put it in. I'm trying to make it brushless. It's brushed. It was stock. So this is a 35 amp ESC. What I think it's a 6100 kV motor. Let me take it out the box. Yeah, as you can see, 61. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, 6100 kV motor. But this I'm trying to put in one of my Relarlo cars for the speed run challenge if I have enough time to do it. And this is another system I picked up from AliExpress, Surpass Hobbies. It's a brushless system. The motor came with it. It's a 35 amp. The motor is a 4500 kV. Yeah, Surplus Hobbies. All right, and what else I picked up? I picked me up some stickers, some RC stickers, RC sticker sheet to put on some of my RCs. I got the ones with the Ken Block, rest in peace, with his logo. Right there, Ken Block, and some other stickers on here, Michelin, Castro, 7-Eleven, Mobile One. Yeah, but sticker sheet. Let me see. And I picked up me some Enduro. These are big bore shocks. I'll be putting this on my SELX Bronco 24 Bronco. I'm gonna switch them because the ones I have on there is they Power Hobby shocks, but I want to like make everything Enduro on that one. So I picked up these shocks, Enduro big bore from Amazon. What else I bought? Let me see. I bought this mud guard for my Mojave Grom BLX that I just picked up. It's a mud guard, so I'm gonna put these on there. It's carbon fiber. I got these from AliExpress. Yeah, so mud guards. What else did I pick up? I picked me up some body clip retainers. Yeah, so yeah, I mean to make so some of my cars don't have just come with the body, the clips, and sometimes I lose them. So with these, I put these on there so I won't lose them. But some Hobby Park body clips. Got these off of Amazon. And last but not least, I picked me up some LED lights. These are blue. I'm thinking about putting these on either my Vendetta or my Sentin 3S. One of those. I'm not sure which one yet, but yeah, one of them. So I got to pick these up off of AliExpress too. So all this stuff was on sale from Amazon or AliExpress for Black Friday. And this is just some of the stuff that I bought. I mean, yeah, I guess that'd be it. But if y'all would like some of the stuff, that's where you can pick it up at from. Thanks. Appreciate y'all for watching the video. And I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.